Hey guys, we are back with another brand new video for you all. Today we will talk about how you can get clients easily on LinkedIn for your business. With more people turning to LinkedIn to find work, it's an excellent platform for connecting with candidates, but there are also many ways to find leads and clients. Being able to find and attract more clients is usually a common challenge for startups. You're in luck because LinkedIn could present an opportunity to close new client leads if your company offers B2B services. It provides you with the tools to find, connect, and build a relationship with professionals from similar fields. This boosts your sales efforts and shortens the length of your sales cycle. Here we've outlined the top tips to help you find new prospects, build good relationships, and successfully pitch your message to them. Let's get started. Number 1, create a professional profile. The first thing that you need to do is make sure you have a professional-looking profile. Key decision makers will want to see your work on their own if they don't already know you yet. Your online presence should also be optimized for keywords. Your bio and headline should be incorporated with keywords that are in line with your work. This will make your profile more visible on LinkedIn to potential clients with similar interests. Use a professional image as your profile picture. And most importantly, your writing should be focused only on those topics that are of interest to clients and prospects. It's just as important to make your profile look good as it is to dress appropriately for meetings. Nobody wants to work with someone who looks like they don't care about the business or meeting, and this also applies online. You want to present yourself as a responsible, reliable, and trustworthy person. Number 2, define your ideal clients. To be successful at LinkedIn lead generation, you need to know the market you are trying to target. Start by thinking of some common titles that your target audience would use on their profiles. This is crucial in finding prospects that would be interested in your product or service. For example, for targeting, you can zero in on titles like senior managers, CMO, VP, marketing and HR specialists, etc. Once you have this in place, you can try 2 distinct methods for finding your client. That is, by using LinkedIn groups or by leveraging LinkedIn's advanced search option. Number 3, personalize your connection requests. Try to refrain from using the default connection request message over and over again on LinkedIn. Take a few minutes to write a personal message each time you're targeting a potential client. Try to include a personal detail if you've met the client before or you know them via a mutual person. If you don't have such an advantage, you can talk a little bit about what you like and admire about the work they are doing. This can go a long way and help you build a long-term relationship. Delivering tailored messages to your recipient is key for increasing their odds of accepting requests and may increase the likelihood that they'll want to interact with you in the future. Before we go to the next point, we would like to thank everyone who has subscribed to us. We need more love and support from you guys to grow our channel further. Hit that subscribe button so that we can bring more such videos for you all. The next strategy that will help you get clients is by joining LinkedIn groups. One of the best ways to get in touch with people you actually have something to offer is by joining a few groups on LinkedIn. This will widen your social circle and help you reach more potential clients. There are many groups with related interests available, such as niche-specific or industry-focused, ones that you can take into consideration as per your requirement. LinkedIn groups are not a place for spam or ads, but for information and community. With that in mind, you should use them to strengthen your company's reputation in the public sphere. Keep an eye out on the groups where your targeted clients are present. Start a conversation thread on topics of similar interests. Positioning yourself as a thought leader is also a good way to go about it. In these groups, you can like your target audience's posts, leave your thoughtful comments on them, share news and events about your company, etc. You will be able to find groups in the search bar at the top of the homepage. Lastly, upload client-targeted relevant content. Posting valuable content to LinkedIn could bring you more traffic and a higher chance of making sales with high-paying clients. Publishing great content on a daily basis can help you stay visible in and outside your network. The more others see your content, the more they'll associate you with solving their own issues. This will also encourage other people to share your work and build your presence even further. Useful content consistently provides more value to all of the people who view your profile. The activity will deepen your relationships with your potential clients and give them a sense of your expertise before they hired you. To convert the traffic into successful clients, make sure you're including a call to action to download your lead magnet and load them on your email list so that you can market to them effectively. That's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like these. Please support us by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. Check out the videos that are appearing on the screen right now. See you in our next video.